They're off and trotting. Giant Hit first away. Thelonious is there on the outside. And out quickly is CR Trackmaster along with Valley Meister into the first turn, and Sinara Hanover as well. And Sinara Hanover could pull the big surprise at the start. That filly is trotting quickly on the far outside. She's cleared Thelonious. She's cleared Giant Hit. She shuffled him back into third. And Sinara Hanover has made the top, trotting with the lead. She's on top at the quarter by a length and a half. She whacks out the front panel in 27, and here comes Giant Hit. He's off the rail from third. Patterson's just kind of cruising. He has him well in hand, but guiding him toward the lead. And also CR Trackmaster is moving up with cover on the outside. Giant Hit takes over the lead from Sinara Hanover in second position now. CR Trackmaster trotting up in third before the half. Thelonious tucked away in fourth. Peter Wren checks over his shoulder, sees Earthquake trotting a closer fifth, and Thelonious is off the rail, off the half in 55 and 3. King Pine is trotting in sixth, as CR Trackmaster meanwhile has made the top. Valley Meister is seventh, then Super Hoot, then Keystone Galactic, and finally Derry Beg is far back after a break. He's the trailer. On the final turn, CR Trackmaster trots with the lead by a length and a half. Giant Hit is still trotting second. They're at the three-quarter. Thelonious is right behind him. Earthquake is lingering on the outside from fourth. King Pine is fifth. Sinara Hanover is tired and dropping out to the back. Three-quarters and 125 and 4. CR Trackmaster will be chased by Giant Hit into the stretch. Thelonious, then Earthquake, then King Pine is fifth, and eighth of a mile out. Giant Hit better find something quick, because CR Trackmaster is trotting away in the stretch, and CR Trackmaster has a 5-length lead. CR Trackmaster will defy the conventional wisdom, and Mike Allen will sit in the floral chair for the first time in his career. CR Trackmaster has won the Kentucky Futurity in 55 and 2. Number 2, CR Trackmaster finished first. Number 4, King Pine was only a fair. Charles Perry certainly also deserves some credit.